Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you something that completely upgraded my daily routine. Especially if you love coffee, tea, matcha, or wine and want a brighter smile without the hassle, this is the Bixdo W60 Blue Light Whitening Electric Toothbrush. And it's not just a toothbrush, it's a whitening device built into your everyday routine. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the toothpaste, the whitening toothpaste. Most whitening products make you wait. Strips, trays, gels, all extra steps, right? With Bixdo, you get whitening while you brush. No extra time, no mess, no fuss. You're already brushing anyway, now it's doing double duty. Daily drinks stain your teeth fast, and I like my tea and coffee. Surface stains, deep stains, and normal brushing doesn't always get them. This toothbrush tackles both at the same time. Now, here's the cool part. When you turn it on, the blue light activates professional grade whitening tech. It uses the same 460 nanometer wavelength dentists use in clinics. The blue light works with PAP whitening toothpaste, which is peroxide free and gentle on enamel. That means no harsh chemicals, no painful sensitivity, but still real whitening results. Some people see up to 21 shades brighter in about 2 weeks. Instead of paying hundreds for treatments, instead of sitting with strips for 45 minutes, you just brush. Morning and night. 3 minutes. Here's my teeth before. And here's after I've been using it for a while. Brighter, cleaner, and no sensitivity. Now let's talk about smart features, because this isn't a basic toothbrush. It has smart brushing AI built right into the handle. No app needed. The screen shows you your brushing progress and alerts you when you miss spots. What I love is it literally guides your brushing like a personal dental coach, pacing you, keeping you gentle on your gums, making sure every session is done right. No guessing, just a smarter clean every time. There are multiple modes: whitening, daily clean, deep clean, and gentle mode. And it even warns you if you brush too hard. Plus, the battery lasts up to 180 days on one charge. Simply plug it in here when it's ready to charge, and it's a USB Type-C. Fully waterproof too. It fits naturally into your routine, which makes it easy to stay consistent. And consistency is what gives whitening results. If you want a smarter, cleaner, whiter smile without the hassle, the Bixdo W60 is worth checking out. I dropped a link at the top of the description and pinned in the comments. Follow Bixdo Oral Care and let me know how your results turn out. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. It comes with everything you need: the toothpaste, the toothbrush, the brush, the charging cable, the charging port. Simply plug it in here. You can keep it in there. Looks really nice. It's really flashy, modern looking. Waterproof, touchscreen, really nice. The handles to replace them simply come off, and the other one simply pop right back on. And as soon as you replace it, I like it, it lights up. It knows when a new handle is replaced. They also won all these awards. I also like it because the toothpaste has a nice flavor to it. It's not overwhelming at all. It's not too minty, it's very mild, and it does the job very well. And the brushes are medium, not too soft, not too hard. They're perfect.